as a community post, what you can also do is post out videos over here. So over here, I am in the community page, and to post your videos over here, you can go around and click on video right here. So once you go around, you can search for YouTube videos over here, or you can add in a YouTube URL of the video right here, or you can go around onto your YouTube videos and then select out a pre-existing YouTube video that you may have and select it out to insert it over here, as you can see. So once this is done, you can go around and say example video, be sure to watch right here. You can go around and post it out right here. So once you do that, what happens is that your community post will be done and the video will be attached right here, and your audiences will be able to engage with this particular post and comment on it and share on it and like and dislike this, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can work around with community posts and then add in video to them inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.